your content score from a mediocre 2 to 3 straight up to a flawless 6 out of 6. If you believe that capturing complex, high-level vocabulary is the only way to secure full marks in PTE Retell Lecture, let me stop you right there. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Fiza. So many students reach out to me frustrated asking, Fiza, why am I only getting 2 or 3 marks for content when I talked for the full 40 seconds? Here is the ultimate truth, and it is a hard truth. Most candidates overthink their notes and try to trick the scoring algorithm with overly complicated strategies. In this video, I am sharing 7 proven game-changing hacks designed to elevate your content score from a mediocre 2 to 3 straight up to a flawless 6 out of 6. Plus, I will demonstrate how you can test these exact techniques using our BandLadder AI evaluation platform. Quick breakdown why this task matters so much. You hear an audio track between 50 and 90 seconds. You get 10 seconds to prep and 40 seconds to respond. It feeds roughly 22 to 25 total marks into both your speaking and listening scores. That means it is quite crucial task. With content now weighted heavily at 6 points, precision is non-negotiable. Make sure that before moving forward, you hit the subscribe button below and don't miss the update. Now, the very first hack that I am going to share with you is ditch paraphrasing. Yes guys, you heard it right. Don't paraphrase. Stop paraphrasing and avoid random word list. When you write down isolated words like economy, growth, global, and attempts, right? So you attempt to invent your own storyline mid-speech. You end up shifting the original context. The moment you alter the audio score meaning, the AI algorithm docks your content score. Here is the strategy. As the track plays, jot down 4 to 5 exact matching phrases straight from the speaker's mouth. Aim for 7 to 10 consecutive words per phrase. This guarantees you capture 10 to 50 authentic high-value words directly from the source. Zero guessing required. So here comes our second hack number 2, zero fear of judgment. Students lose points because they attempt to process and rephrase their written notes on the fly. They stall, stutter, and try to construct ideal sentence in real time, causing their overall fluency score to crash. Keep this in mind. The AI evaluator isn't a human listening to your narrative coherence. It is simply checking for matching speech signals and unbroken flow. Even if your written phrases sounds a bit disjointed, when read aloud back to back, read them anyway. Never hesitate and never self-correct. Here is our hack number 3, that is forget about grammar errors. While speaking, let's look at how the software actually grades. Retell lecture. Now 6 marks for content and oral fluency is 5 marks, pronunciation is 5 marks. Notice what's missing. Grammar is not an evaluation metric here in this task. Treat retell lecture with the same mindset as read aloud. You wouldn't stop mid-sentence during read aloud to fix a grammar error. So don't do it here either. So here comes the hack number 4. Use minimal streamlined templates. Be extremely cautious with heavy templates. Reciting long 20-second script full of fluff like the lecture provides crucial insights into the topic of this, that, gives you 0 content points because those generic fillers words weren't in the audio. If you prefer using a template, keep it strictly functional. Simple connectors like these works best, like The lecture discusses about, in addition, moreover, furthermore, the speaker also highlighted, right? So this is how you can add the connectors or to summarize. So use these connectors solely as a rhythmic bridge to maintain fluent. Now here comes our hack number 5, that is 20 to 25 second target hack. Let's talk about it. So now talking about this hack, a lot of students will say, how can it be possible? But let me tell you, it works like this. The AI algorithm works like this. There is absolutely no need to talk until the 40 seconds timer run out. Delivering your 4 to 5 captured phrases cleanly takes just 20 to 25 seconds. Continuing to speak beyond your accurate notes only increases your risk of fumbling, repeating ideas, or dropping fluency. State your captured phrases smoothly, click next, and move forward. Here comes our hack number 6. Stop filtering for main point. Don't waste precious cognitive energy during the audio deciding whether a statement is a primary conclusion or a minor detail, or it is useful or not, or it is important or not. The algorithm evaluates keywords overlap, not human concepts of priority. If a clear 7 to 10 words phrase catches your ear, write it down instantly. Here comes our hack number 7. Build relentless execution mindset. Tell yourself daily, whatever lands on your scratch pad is getting delivered with total confidence. Even you scribble a typo or an incomplete line, keep moving. Once the recording starts, deliver your notes with seamless, continuous flow. Now, how do you verify if your note-taking techniques and rhythms are up to standards before testing? This is where the BandLadder application and our BandLadder AI algorithm engine come into play. Let's look at a live demonstration. I will be showing you one question and we will do it together. I am launching a Retell Lecture practice set on BandLadder. As the clip plays, I will take down 4 clear consecutive phrases following our exact strategy. So we will be working on 22 seconds response utilizing the captured phrase without hesitation. Let me hit submit and let's analyze how BandLadder AI evaluates the attempt. Now look at this diagnostic output. Content match index. The AI cross analysis spoken audio directly against the source. Transcript to confirm exact keyword match. You can see fluency and pauses analytics. It flags micro pauses, hesitations, or unnatural rhythm breaks so you can eliminate them. Acoustic and pronunciation scores pinpoint word level clarity and vocal. Instead of guessing whether your response measures up, BandLadder AI provides instead examiners grade feedback. To recap our 7 hacks to master PTE Retell Lecture: capture 4 to 5 exact phrases, approximately 7 to 10 words each. Read notes directly without attempting live interpretation. Disregard grammar errors. Prioritize unbroken flow. Use brief structural connectors only when needed. Target 20 to 25 seconds, then hit next. Don't filter content, just jot down clear phrases immediately. Commit to continuous delivery with zero hesitation. Stop relying on rigid, lengthy templates that sabotage your timing. Head over to the BandLadder app, jump into a Retell Lecture practice module and evaluate your voice response. Using BandLadder AI today, you can see how much you are scoring. I am Fiza Zaidi. Train smart, leverage real AI scoring, and let's lock in that 6 out of 6 in content. If you found this useful, hit the like button, post your question in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see